So Sealed Air, ultimately we're a packaging solutions company. So we do packaging solutions on a large variety. So all the way from product care, if you're shipping items, that you receive at your house, a lot of times you'll notice that the bubble wrap and things of that nature. So, but we also do a lot of food care type packaging. So our industry is pretty wide as far as we do equipment. We also work with customers to improve automation lines and things of that nature. So DraftSight is critical for us. Probably 60% of our legacy designs are still within a 2D format. So we have to maintain those. We use those designs to build off of as templates. So where we do want to try to move more into a 3D environment, it's necessary for us to have those tools to still manage the 2D data that we have currently. We use it from an electrical design standpoint. So we do schematics and wiring diagrams still in 2D some. We also use it primarily for plant layout, to look at production lines to see how the equipment fits and works with the customers. And it's a lot faster to use something like DraftSight to be able to formulate those layouts quickly for customers, versus trying to put it all out in 3D and that sort of things. Like most people, we did use AutoCAD within the company previously. The transition from AutoCAD to DraftSight is seamless. It is very easy for users to pick up. So if they're used to that AutoCAD environment, we switched primarily just to get to one vendor. And so we like the support that SOLIDWORKS has, and how they're innovative with their software, and they're always pushing the limits. So it made sense for us to kind of go ahead and make that shift to DraftSight, so that we can, we get those benefits of what SOLIDWORKS is doing and pushing the software. But it also still, maintains the simplicity of what people are used to in AutoCAD. So it's a good fit for us. We use the two seamlessly between, so there are some sketches and things within a 2D environment that we'll pull into a 3D environment. So yeah, we use the two, simultaneously to kind of, improve and create the designs that we have. So. The import utilities that have been created within DraftSight just recently are huge. Speaking on legacy data that we have, sometimes those files are PDFs, kind of static files, and it's huge for us to now be able to take PDFs and pull into DraftSight and quickly be able to import that directly to the geometry and the lines that we need. So yeah, that's huge, and I think most customers can probably say the same. I would tell them that DraftSight, the biggest thing is the learning curve. You can give somebody DraftSight, and typically they can pick it up, really quick. Even if they don't have a background or experience with AutoCAD, the simplicity of the tool and being able to just draw with lines, it is command-based, but the users can still use all the icons and everything around it. So I would say the learning curve is probably the biggest benefit out of it. I would say it's seamless. Of course, they're not the same. But users can transition from AutoCAD directly to DraftSight and not miss a beat.